Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to integrate LinkedIn with Hubspot. Firstly, log into your Hubspot account, then click the Marketplace icon from the top navigation bar. Then select App Marketplace. Search for LinkedIn Sales Navigator in the search bar, then click Install App in the upper right corner. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Now navigate to your CRM, then Contacts or Companies. Click on the contact or company name. In the right panel, look for the LinkedIn Sales Navigation card. The card will display LinkedIn data such as contacts, then companies. Just save the contact or view more for detailed profile or send in mail directly from the card. You can do it for contacts or companies. Just go to CRM, then select the record and locate the LinkedIn Sales Navigation card. Click Send Email and compose your message in the pop-up, then click Send. The conversation will not be saved automatically. You can manually log in if needed. Now open the Hubspot mobile app, go to Tasks and tap on Send Mail or Send Connection Request. You'll be redirected to the LinkedIn app to complete the task. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.